Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best battery string trimmer in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Worx WG170.3 GT 3.0 PowerShare Cordless String Trimmer and Amp Edger. Worx has established itself as one of the leading providers of battery-powered outdoor equipment and tools on the international market. The WG170 is one of the reliable products from the company's range with multiple advanced features. This model can be used for multiple landscaping jobs due to its ability to be converted from a string trimmer to a wheeled edger with no additional tools required. This model features a 0.065-inch line to provide a 12-inch cutting diameter. Its innovative command feed spool system increases the efficiency of any lawn project with no bumping or interruptions. This model also comes with a spacer guard, which is designed to keep your flower beds or other lawn ornaments in your garden undamaged when trimming. The rubberized wheels contribute to stability and an enhanced support during edging. The lightweight 5.3 pounds design facilitates cutting process with no fatigue of a user. Pros: 2-in-1 tool. Lightweight. Auto-line feeding. Supporting wheels. Spacer guard. 2 batteries and charger are included. Affordable price. Cons: 1 speed only. Can't be converted into a mini mower. Number 2. Our second best pick is Greenworks G-Max 40V Cordless String Trimmer and Leaf Blower Combo. The Greenworks is continuously introducing new cordless solutions to substitute traditional gas-powered equipment and tools, thus protecting the environment against multiple adverse impacts. The kit of Greenworks G-Max 40V String Trimmer and Leaf Blower is dedicated to excellence on yards up to 1/2 acre. The string trimmer delivers up to 8,500 RPM, which can be varied depending on a particular application. Its auto-feeding of a 0.065-inch dual line provides a 12-inch cutting path. The height can be tailored for each user with the help of a telescoping shaft. The front position of the motor contributes to a perfect balance of the tool during operation. The leaf blower speed rate can be also adjusted by a trigger. The desired value can be maintained with the cruise control. Reaching up to 390 CFM at 110 miles per hour, the majority of garden debris can be blown away from hard surfaces and grass. Both tools run by the same battery, which ensures up to 45 minutes continuous runtime. And it can be recharged within 1 hour. However, it is possible to purchase a battery, optional, with higher capacity of 4Ah to increase the autonomy. Pros: high speed rate. Variable speed control. Auto feeding of a cutting line. Telescoping shaft. Cruise control. Battery and charger are included. Cons: heavy string trimmer. The capacity of the battery mightn't be enough when dealing with tougher weeds. Number 3. Our third best pick is Worx WG170.3 GT Revolution 20V PowerShare Grass Trimmer/Edger. This multifunctional tool from Worx is designed to become a comprehensive lawn care assistant. It is a 20V trimmer/edger/mini mower equipped with a battery of higher capacity for longer runtime. The unit runs at 7,600 RPM, thus showing an impressive cutting efficiency. Its 0.65-inch line is fed by a simple push of a button to ensure a 12-inch cutting swath. This model features a super ergonomic design, which can be proved by a telescoping shaft, 90 degrees pivoting head, and 7-position handle. Also, the WG170.3 GT features supporting twin wheels and an on-board holder of an extra spool. The included 20V 4Ah battery is compatible with the entire 20V and 40V Worx lineup. Thus, you may enlarge the scope of your outdoor projects without additional investments. Pros: 3-in-1 tool. High battery capacity. High torque. Auto-line feeding. On-board extra line spools. Supporting wheels. Cutting attachments are included. Battery and charger are delivered in the package. Cons: lack of balance in a mowing mode. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Black+Decker 40V Max Cordless Sweeper and Amp String Trimmer Combo Kit LCC 340C. This unit can be used in trimming and edging modes. It features a higher torque delivered by a power drive transmission which allows reaching higher speed rates and fulfilling cutting job faster. Its 0.065-inch line is fed by an auto spool excluding any bumping. The runtime and power rate can be adjusted with the help of a power command dial to tackle different cutting tasks on your territory. The tool can be easily transformed into an edger by means of a simple turn of a telescoping aluminum shaft. Additional comfort is granted to a user thanks to an adjustable auxiliary handle to get precise control over the process. The 40V lithium-ion battery generates plenty of power and features a charge indicator to prevent sudden breaks in your work. Pros: 2-in-1 tool. High speed rate. Variable speed control. Autoline feed. Ergonomic design. Spacer guard. Battery charge indicator. Battery and charger are included. Cons: no wheels attached. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Makita XRU15PT1 Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 36V LXT String Trimmer Kit. This advanced unit is offered by Makita, which name is already a genuine vote of confidence for thousands of customers worldwide. This string trimmer features only one mode of operation, however it comprises a number of impressive features which give it the lead, even in comparison with its multifunctional counterparts. Besides, this unit comes with 36V LXT batteries and a double port charger. The XRU15PT1 is equipped with a durable brushless motor which delivers up to 6,500 RPM. The speed can be varied by means of 3 speed settings available. The bump feeding of the 0.080-inch diameter line ensures reaching 15-inch cutting swaths. The reliability of this unit is also grounded by the XPT system, which protects its internal parts against any external exposures like water, dust, etc. The state of the trimmer and its battery can be always monitored via an innovative star protection technology. The latter is a sophisticated communication system which prevents any failure or malfunction. Pros: brushless motor. High battery capacity. Variable speed control. High cutting width. XPT protection technology. Smart battery management system. Faster battery charging. Compatible with Makita LXT family. Cons: one mode only. Expensive. Heavy. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.